Design for Assembly version 10 contains several different types of reports that can be used once an analysis is complete. The reports are accessed from the Results menu. Here you can see the list of different report types that can be generated from within the software. I'm going to show you the DFA analysis totals, and I'm going to choose to include the cost of tooling. When I do that, it brings up this dialog box that will allow me to select up to 5 different analyses within this file. Since I only have 2 in here, I'll pick Motor Original and Motor Redesigned. And when I say OK, the software will bring up the report showing me the print preview version of it. We've taken some time to simplify the reports and put more meaningful information on them in a better layout. You can see here some data in a table and some graphs at the bottom representing the comparison between Motor Original and Motor Redesigned. As in previous versions of Design for Assembly, I could simply print this report from here, or I could go to the File menu and choose Export, and I could export to a variety of different file formats depending on what it is I want to do with the report.